page right here is making $2,000 per week promoting giveaways with a method called CPA. In this video, I'm going to be explaining everything, and I'm also going to give a step-by-step on how you can start making money just like this for yourself. So CPA stands for click per action. The service for CPA we're going to be using today is called TapMob. It's an app on the App Store, and plenty of people are using it on TikTok and Instagram, and it has very, very high paying conversions. You need a team code to join since it's a referral-based program, but I'm going to leave my team code in the description. After you get accepted for TapMob, head over to the offers section. There will be a ton of offers, and I'm thinking of doing this in the finance niche. So there's one where it's like Cash App $750. I'll have it on screen. I think I'm going to go with this one. So you're just going to want to click on it, and then you'll have your own personalized link. Copy that link and save it for later. So for our content, we're going to head over to Canva. If you don't know what Canva is, it's a free online designing website, and it's honestly really good. So what you're going to want to do is head over to mobile video. So now you're going to have this blank mobile canvas to make your video. And I'm sure you've seen those videos on Instagram where it's like the nighttime aesthetic thing, and then there's a whole bunch of tips on the screen. That's what we're going to be doing. So to get our video, I recommend heading over to Pinterest. So on Pinterest, search for something like aesthetic nighttime video, and you're going to get a whole bunch. I think I'm just going to go with, sure, I'll just go with this one. So now just copy the link and head over to this website called Pinterest Downloader. This is your average Pinterest downloader. You just download the video, and that's basically it. So click download video and click this and click download, and now you're going to have your video. So now head back over to Canva and just drag your video on. So now you have your video. You might need to size it up to fit the scale. And there's probably going to be some audio already on it, but I'm just going to not use this audio. So I'm just going to mute this. And Canva has its own audio library, so I'm going to be looking up like lo-fi chill song. And then head over to audio, and now we have all these lo-fi hip hop beats. I'm thinking, I actually don't have my headset on right now, but I'm just gonna assume this is a good song. So just stretch it out, and now we have our video, but now we're gonna need our actual tips. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna make a whole bunch of text boxes. I'm just gonna make 5. So the first one you're gonna wanna put at the top, and for this one, it's gonna be like your header. So I think I'm gonna make mine tips from the rich. Since we're in the finance niche, I think it's like a really appealing title. So now you're gonna also want to do 4 other ones. So I'm just gonna go 1, 2, 3. So now we have our 4, and just scatter them across the screen. Maybe rotate them a little bit. So I'm pretty happy with this. You could add another one at the bottom if you want to like watermark your video, but there's really no point in that. I'll have the link for all the websites I use in the description, by the way. So once you're on ChatGBT, you're gonna want to ask it this: can you generate me 3 different tables of 10 finance tips that are under 50 characters? Then click enter. So now it's gonna generate us 3 tables of a whole bunch of finance tips. You're probably confused, but just keep watching, you'll understand in a second. So once these are all generated, we're gonna head back over to Canva, go to apps, and search up bulk create. It should be right here. Just click it and click enter data manually. There's gonna be some pre-made table here, but just get rid of that, you don't need it. Now we're gonna import all of our tables. So we're gonna copy this over, enter, and we don't want the numbers, so right click this and do delete column. So to add another column, click add text and head back over to ChatGPT and copy this again. And then just kind of keep doing this until you have all of your tables done. So now we have all our tables pasted. So we're gonna now give these titles. So I'm gonna make this one 1, this one 2, and this one 3, just for the sake of this video. So then click done, and now you have all your tables. So from here, you're gonna wanna click on one of these, right click it, go to connect data and do 1, let's say. And then for this one, we'll connect it to 2. And for this one, we'll connect it to 3. But now you have a completely blank one. And for this one, you're gonna wanna make it say something along the lines of free $750 Cash App in bio. So now click continue and generate 10 pages. So now you have all these tips on a whole bunch of different posts. You have 10 posts just ready for you. And yeah, I think this is looking pretty good. So you're gonna wanna head to the top, click share and click download, and make sure you check this download pages as separate files and click download. So these are gonna take a second to download, but while they're downloading, head over to this website called Linktree. So you're gonna wanna sign up. I already have an account, so I don't need to sign up. I also have the username Reese on Linktree. I just thought that was really cool. But for yours, you're gonna make it whatever your page is called. So if your page is called Fitness Tips 1, you're gonna do Fitness Tips 1. So from here, you're gonna wanna head to your admin panel and click add link. So now that TapMob link from earlier, you're gonna wanna paste here. So once your link's in, you might get this thing where it says unsafe URL. They do this for like all affiliate links. So if this happens to you, you're gonna wanna go to this website. Head over to this website called tinyurl. And you're gonna wanna take this link right here and put it into tinyurl. You can enter an alias. I'll just do Cash App Reese and click shorten URL. And here is your link. So just head back over, paste this, and it should work. So now you're gonna wanna make your title something like $750 Cash App or whatever your thing is, you know. And make sure this button is checked so it shows up, and it should show up right here. You can also have multiple affiliate links if you wanted to. Like you could have a Cash App one, and then they have like an Apple reviewer one. You could do that one as well. And there's a chance that one of the people who clicked on your Linktree will do both of them, or you could just run ads for both of them. So now that we've got all this set up, we're gonna want to promote this, and we can either promote this on TikTok or Instagram. I've seen them both. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna do TikTok because it's super easy. So once you're on TikTok, head over to login, click sign up, and just create your account. I'm gonna do mine really quickly. I'm just gonna completely skip over this part. I'm assuming you guys can set up a TikTok account. So I already had a TikTok account made, so I'm just gonna use this one. I made the name Reese Finance, and this is pretty good, but I think just to boost our credibility a little bit more, we should head back over to Canva. So once you're back on Canva, click create a design and click on logo. They have a whole bunch of logo templates over here. I'm just gonna look up finance. So I'm gonna go with, I'll go with this one. This one's pretty cool. So just drag it on. I'll do Reese Finance. Gotta make it a tiny bit smaller. And I'm just gonna delete this bottom part. And this is our logo. So click at the top, click share, download, and download. Now head over to here, click edit profile, and upload your image. So now our profile is looking good. We just have one last step. So you're gonna wanna make your bio. And for my bio, I did $750 Cash App. I did the little pointing down emoji, and I put my link. So just click save, and we're all done. As you see, the link isn't clickable. Until you reach 1,000 followers, your link will not be clickable. But if people are really curious enough, they'll just search it up, especially if you have a short link tree. But also, just, I'm not promoting this, but you can buy 1,000 TikTok followers for like 30 cents. But I'm not promoting it. But also, after you post like 20 TikToks, you'll probably have 1,000 followers. It's super easy to grow on TikTok. But now let's just upload our videos. So click on upload, or if you're on your mobile phone, just do the upload button. So now our video is uploading, and here it is. For a caption, let's do $750 Cash App, link in bio. Okay, I changed my mind. Don't do this. I'm editing this video right now, and I checked the TikTok account, and it actually got taken down for community guidelines. I think it's because it's a brand new account, and it's promoting this $750 Cash App. Like, it sounds scammy. So yeah, just don't do this. Do something else. And let's do some tags, do For You page. So now that's our post, and click post, and our first post is up. TikTok is really, really easy to get traffic with, but also Instagram Reels is a great option. So if you have the time, I recommend just doing both because they're both doing very, very well right now. And I see posts just like this on them both. So now let's view profile, and here we are. Here is our post. So people will see our caption, head over to our bio, search it up on their phone, and then we make our money. People are making hundreds of dollars per day doing this, especially once you get that link in bio. The money will start coming in. So I recommend definitely giving this one a shot. If you guys gain any value from this video, or you just enjoyed it, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm like kind of new to this YouTube thing, so all the feedback below really does help a lot. Anyway, I'm done wasting your time. Thank you for watching.